Hi friends, I want to show you my new wireless headset with microphone. This is a really nice unit, as you will see. It's really elegant. Look at this. Okay, let me unpack it. This is a Bluetooth adapter. This is the USB-C charging cable. It's really nice also. And this is the way you will have it stored. Okay, let's try it. So now you see it's charging. Okay, and you can see this nice headset. It has a multifunction button here. You can charge it directly if you need. You have volume buttons here, and this is the actual microphone. Okay, it has a mute button here if you need to mute your conversation. You can extend it for a lot of head sizes. Okay, so it connects automatically. Let's try it. Perfect. I'm hearing the call. So it's great. It sounds great. It pairs itself with the accessory pretty fast, and now it's charging again. So as you can see, it's a really nice. I had another kind of headset, but this is really nice. It's pretty, and this is the one I'm going to use from now on. Thank you.